So as you can see, I'm using my fingers to push the hair out of the way and push the lace apart, and then cutting the hairline. And it hasn't got to be a straight cut, it can be diagonally, and you can go in different shapes. And that's the front, so the front is done. And then it's just doing the back as well, so you do exactly the same on the back. Just make sure the hair is out of the way. So using your fingers to push the hair back and pull the lace, so you get a nice cut. And I find you can go a little bit closer to the hairline at the back. That's the lace, the cut off. And as you can see, I've left just a tiny bit around the edges, because as you can see, if you look really closely, there's tiny, tiny little baby hairs. And if I put the wig